Hey, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016, the Lincoln MKZ. Stock number on this vehicle is T as in Tom 20398A. This is a virtual video walk around allowing you to see this Lincoln up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition, no dings, no dents, no flaws, and we're going to make our way around the rear. This vehicle only has 24,000 miles. Warranty protection for life qualified on this vehicle. Carfax reports on any of our used inventory, of course. If you're traveling with friends or family, look at that comfort and style in the rear. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Power windows, heated seats, fully loaded, and a very, very comfortable ride. For more information on this Lincoln, you know she's not going to last long. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and get ready to save. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.